Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the proper procedure of baby bathing. First, sanitize your hands. Wear PPEs. I'm wearing here face mask and apron. Then gathered all materials needed. So we have here 3 basins for wetting, soaping, and rinsing. And also, we have here kidney basin, 2 kidney basin with cotton balls, and also baby clothes, vest, pajama, mitten, socks, baby bead, and diaper, 4 pieces of towelette, 3 pieces towel. We have here plastic, and also a thermometer, baby shampoo, baby powder, and baby bath soap. We also have here amber trash can, pail, one empty and other one with warm water, and also a bathtub. So first, before we start, we need the parent consent before the procedure. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arabel Mendoza, and I'm going to perform baby bath to your baby. Is that okay to you, ma'am? Okay, thank you. First, get the baby from the tip. Then check the room temperature and also the privacy of the baby. Close the window and close the door. And next is check the baby temperature. But before that, I need to clean the thermometer first from cleanest to dirtiest. And the normal temperature of the baby is 35 Celsius degrees. Normal. Next is remove the baby's dirty clothes, put into the hamper, and check the diaper if there is a stool. Plastic the diaper and throw it into the trash can. The next is cover the baby with a towel, and we will start to clean now. First, we start with the baby's eyes. Soak the cotton balls. Clean the eyes from inner canthus to outer canthus. Discard. One more. Inner canthus to the outer canthus. Discard. Same procedure to the other side of the baby's eyes. Next is carry the baby's head into football hold position. Cover the baby's ears and wash the hair. Make sure that do not put the shampoo direct to the baby's hair. Okay. Massage in the circular motion. So, then rinse and pat dry. And transfer to next station. Now the baby is on the receiving station. Let's clean the baby's face. So we will start to the forehead, cleaning the forehead, soak the cotton balls, clean the forehead into circular motion, going down to the cheek, to the chin, exit to the neck, discard. Soak, circular motion, going down to the cheek, to the chin, to the neck, discard, and rinse. Circular motion going down to the cheek, to the chin, exit to the neck. And same procedure to the other side and pat dry. Next is the baby's nose. Soak the cotton ball. Start to the nose, breathe down to the nostril, discard. Down to the start to the nostril, start to the nose, breathe down to the nostril, discard, and rinse. Down to the nose, breathe, and nostril, discard. Pat dry. Next is mouth cleaning. Cleaning mouth in C motion from up to down. Discard. Next is the ear cleaning. Soak the cotton. Start into the inner lobe, back of the ear. Discard. Soak. Inner lobe going to the back of the ear. Discard. Rinsing. Inner lobe going back to the back of the ear. Discard. Same procedure to the other side. Then pat dry. Next is carry the baby into the cradle position and put into the bathtub. Now the baby is in the bathtub. First, wash the baby's back finger and make sure to concentrate between the fingers. Soak, rinse, then wrist. Next is the forearm, the elbow, exit to the axilla. Soak and rinse. Same procedure to the other side. Next is now start cleaning the chest area into circular motion, going down to the abdomen and exit to navel. Soak and rinse. Next is the soles. Start cleaning the soles into circular motion and make sure to clean the between fingers and the ankle. So rinse. Same procedure to the other side. Next is the legs. Knee fold. Make sure to clean the knee fold. Then exit to the groin. Same procedure to the other side. Soap and rinse. Let's proceed to the genital parts. Start cleaning into circular motion the sharp penis to the scrotum, to the perineum, and exit to anus. And lastly, the back part. Make sure to support the back of the baby and start cleaning at the nape part. Going down to the upper back, going down to the buttocks, gluteal folds, and exit to gluteal cleft. Soap and rinse. And now the baby is now on the dressing station. Make sure to pat dry the baby. Put on the diaper. Clothes, vest, socks, mitten, top, pajama or shorts, and the bib. And check the baby's temperature again. But again, we need to clean the thermometer from cleanest to dirtiest and check the baby's temperature and put the baby to the crib. And for finishing, and lastly, do the post-care, clean the area, and do not leave the baby unattended, and wash your hands. That's all. Thank you.